Hey guys, just going to do a double recap today, or maybe I'll just shoot another recap. We had a couple good winners here. We're going to go to the pre-market Webull gainers. Keeps it real nice and simple, not much research. And if somebody else is buying it, you're just trying to ride the coattails of these people. So right here, you'll see a nice breakout right here. If you'd have seen this $6 mark, that was a pretty good, but you had 3 minutes to just kind of just jump in. I will tell you that. That's not the easiest way to say it. But right here is a perfect ascending wedge. Came up here, just short, quick one. Nice platform. Broke out again right here. Broke down. Still stabilized in this channel area. Then right here, it broke out one more time. And then a really nice, I mean, this was a long fight. I was sitting here watching it. I thought I was going to switch to the 15-second thing, but it took 4 minutes to finally pop. And that's a long pop. And you definitely want to get on this shelf, not the breakout. In the breakout, you better just be in and out real quick with your planned trade. And if you're not trading a plan, then you're not planning a trade. And I'm going to tell you two things. If you're not knowing the exit, do not get in the entry. I will tell you a silly story my wife's probably going to hate me for, but we're at a place somewhere and there was a smoking lamp and it looked like it was on fire, and all I did was look at the closest exit door, and that was my plan. If it goes shit, just go to the exit. It was the closest exit, not one with 2,000 people I got to fight, just maybe 20 people in the door. So again, don't enter anything if you don't know where your exit is, especially in trading, because otherwise you're just gambling, rolling the dice, and you shouldn't be doing that with your money or your retirement or whatever you may be using as your financial backing. We're going to go over here to DYNT WIZA. It did finally break. It's breaking right here, VWAP right here at the 290 mark. And what you're doing right here is it's just stair stepping up perfectly and then downtrending here. And you can't take all the trades, so you're not seeing me freak out about missing this one, although it should just run because it's the low float of the day. But it is downtrending right here. If you want to look at a little trick I got right here, watch. Right at the 50% area, it starts rebounding. So that's just another good trick. Otherwise, your real move started here. If you missed that move, that was their next move right here. And then it just started failing down, which is nice. Finally stabilized here. And if it stabilized, broke VWAP, very good trade. But the very first person that went for that VWAP trade got slammed down maybe just 10 cents. But that stop loss, if you would have had the stop loss here, I think you'd have been just fine. And you just had to wait. I just don't like waiting. I like it to go up, down, and then up one more time to prove itself. And just happens to be VWAP right here. And that was a VWAP kiss just in case it was going to continue going down and shorting. But a good rebound, 290, yeah, 292 is the area that it should have broke. And it could just test this area and break down. But the buyers are here. The float's in your favor. Let's go check out PRSO. I think that was another one. Yes, look at this. Been channel trading in this channel that I drew a long time ago. I drew this pretty much from the pre-market right here, and it's just been doing the same bounce the whole time. So it might break out of here and go right now, but I'm not getting it unless you're getting in these little bit lower entries. And if you have a good set of indicators to tell you to get these pops, otherwise, if you're buying the breakouts on these, you're not going to be too much of a happy camper unless you're just going for super, super short profit, which you probably should be with these kind of stocks. Unless you got, look, the bigger moves like these moves. This is a perfect ascending wedge. It went up, down, and look, 1 stair, 2 stair, 3 stair, 4 stair, and 5 in pre. If you couldn't have taken those trades, you probably shouldn't be a trader. And all you're doing is what we preach here, is it for it to go pull back, prove itself. Pull back, that means people are taking profit, and then people are still saying, hey, this stock's worthy. And it breaks the prices all the time. And then when you're getting up here, you're probably going to start getting a little worried because you'll see it just kind of bunch up. Kind of looks like it's overbought, and then it's going to just be going down. And it's still trying to stabilize at this point. It just doesn't look great. We're going to go back and check with WIZA. Yep, right here. So if you missed this pullback trade, right here, if it pulls back and continues to prove itself, take it. Then if it can eventually get over the 336 area, and then you'll see a bonkers trade. But really, it should be just coming up here, failing. And so here's the buying area, and here's the selling area. And once you get that, that's just the last bit of retail traders driving it up. And then all these people that maybe bought lower are slamming you down. So sometimes it's manipulation, but sometimes just people going, well, that's as much as it can go, so I'm going to go ahead and get out. But that VWAP trade would have been very nice and easy, and it did do the rebound at the 50 or the gold zone. So there we go. Like I said, if it proves itself right now, take it, but otherwise, this is not the time of the day to trade. I was teaching a person on Sunday, and he basically said he actually waits to short at 10:30, and every screw up he had, he just went in a little too early, like by 20 minutes. So be wary of this. It's just rebounding, and if it can go more, it goes more, but otherwise, these stocks don't have that good of a news to be really that price, just like rent. When they have negative $30 and their stock's only $20, that means they're negative 10 for the day per share. So don't be putting all your life savings in there. Don't be holding these stocks too long. Hey, y'all have a great weekend. If y'all need any help, just reach out. I do some privates one-on-one, and we'll be releasing a website soon. We'll be doing live trading and a full analysis at the end of day of maybe 7 trading strategies per stock. So if you find a strategy you like and somebody else doesn't like it, as long as you like it, that's all that really matters, because maybe you see it a lot simpler, okay? Hey, y'all have a good day. Thank you.